The JBC, or Judicial and Bar Council, grilled all 5 applicants for the Chief Justice post.
The JBC also zeroed in on the issue of delicadeza for 4 of the applicants who voted to kick Maria Lourdes Sereno out from her office. Dale De Vera has the details.
5 candidates vying for the Chief Justice position faced the Judicial and Bar Council in a public interview. 4 of them voted to oust former Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno that eventually opened the top magistrate post. So the JBC grilled them on the issue of delicadeza. Associate Justice Lucas Bersamin argued that there is no definite rule to inhibit or reject a nomination because of delicadeza.
I must insist na kung sila they feel so much that I have no delicadeza, then they should also ask whoever voted in favor. Unfortunately, walang sumali ngayon na nagpabor kay Justice Sereno.
Even Associate Justice Teresita De Castro does not consider it an issue. De Castro said she does not even care when people call her Peter over Sereno.
I won't care to respond to that because the people who would give those comments do not know anything. They have not dealt with me.
The JBC also asked De Castro how she plans to push for judicial reforms should she be appointed as Chief Justice, given that she's set to retire in October.
It is not as if that I will start today. I've been working on judicial reform projects since 2009.
Associate Justice Justado Peralta meanwhile was grilled over the SC decision, allowing the burial of former dictator Ferdinand Marcos at the Libingan ng Mabayani, in which he is the ponente of the resolution.
Do you think the Filipinos found closure?
I hope that issue has already been buried, Your Honor. Because if we do not bury that issue, then we cannot move on.
President Rodrigo Duterte's appointee and one of the junior members of the court, Associate Justice Andres Reyes Jr., was questioned over the non-declaration of his shares in their family-owned bake shop in his Inn.
I don't know if we have closed down that corporation or perhaps I just forgot to list down that listing.
Bersamin and Peralta were also asked to explain the increases in their net worth, to which they say are from additional allowances they received for being members of an electoral tribunal and the income of their spouses. But the only outsider among the applicants, Tagum City RTC Judge Virginia Tejano Ang, surprised the panel when she told them that she wanted to be an associate justice, not the Chief Justice.
I am applying for the position of associate Justice of the Supreme Court, Vice Honorable Chief Justice Sereno. Yun ang nakalagay. Kasi I was thinking, di ba si Sereno noon, naging Associate Justice man siya bago naging Chief Justice. Okay? So hindi ko alam na dito pala sa Supreme Court iba. Ina-applyan pala yung pagiging Chief Justice.
But Ang quickly retracted this and said she would want to continue with her application for the SC stop post. The JBC will narrow down the applicants and come up with a shortlist that will be submitted to the President. He will then choose Sereno's replacement from that list before the September 16 deadline. Reporting for News 5, Dale De Vera, We Are One News.